Scotiabank sign in or login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically sign into your Scotiabank app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to sign into your Scotiabank app, it's actually quite very simple to do so, or maybe your browser. Open your browser and go to scotiabank.com. If you have the mobile app installed, you can also download the mobile app. Once you go to scotiabank.com, you're going to land on this page where you can just tap the sign in option from the very top of the screen here. And once you tap the sign in button from the very top of the screen, you'll be able to see all these sorts of interface where what you need to do is simply make sure to enter your username or your card number of your online banking account and enter your password, and then tap the sign in option if you want to log in to online banking or mobile banking. Now if you haven't registered for it, you can tap the set them up now button to register for online banking. If you happen to forget your credentials, you can tap the need help signing in option in order to reset your username or password. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.